down Louisiana, halfway to New Orleans. Yeah, I'm leaning on my Chevy, going through the levee, trying to get to I feel free. So I'm looking back at Texas, cause that's where I reckon finally put myself at ease. Go on a 3-day breather, sipping margaritas, drift away beside the sea, with Mexico tequila and me. Oh, my baby wanna hold me, but a bossy won't scold me. Mama wants to call me. Well, the bank, they want the payment. Sometimes they'll just take it, but I got to get to where I feel free, with Mexico tequila and me. Yeah, I'm tired of the rat race, I'm tired of the sweet face, sick of who I'm supposed to be. But I need a little time to vegetate my mind, escape from my reality, with Mexico tequila and me. So I'm down in Alabama, down Louisiana, halfway to New Orleans. Yeah, I'm leaning on my Chevy, going through the levee, trying to get to I feel free, with Mexico tequila and me. Mexico tequila and me. Mexico tequila and me.